Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are watching me from. Today I want to talk about our children. They say, Bible say, train up a child in the way he or she will grow, and when she grow, they will never depart from it. Today I see a lot of children, mostly here in Europe. We no sabi great. Our children no sabi great. Cook, they no sabi cook. You can see children of 10, 12 years, they will pass you in the morning, they don't know how to greet. To greet, they don't feel greet. To cook, says some no sabi cook. Something now called it, they pay me for mine. Say, because I remember then when we dey Africa, if my papa wake up in the morning, wetin the next thing we go do, go lay down, we go greet am, we go sweep, wash plate, do everything. But children wey dey Europe now, e come be like say I don't know that difference dey. I be everywhere they change, because me I no understand. Because see children nowadays, they no sabi greet, they no sabi cook, they don't know how to do sweep. Now make me just come out now, call talk and say abeg. Children, they know they see small children. Where your children they grow come, boy or girl. Learn how to teach them. One, how to greet. Teach them. Go tell the children, say abeg, go and arrange your room. They scatter room, toy, they grant. Go and arrange the toy where they scatter. At least from there they go arrange them. Their bed, even when they know how to do it, they don't know how to do it, but just let them do things by themselves. Teach them how to do things by themselves. For example, now plate dey ground. You know me say the pikin never reach 10 years or never reach 20 years, you know, fit wash plate for you. Maybe 2 plate dey ground, 1 plate dey ground. The plate when it is, tell am wash am by herself. Other she or him, tell am other you get baby girl, big boy, no dey matter. Tell am wash the plate. You go wash am. My baby now wey dey 5 years now, I will tell am say if you plate dey there, I will tell am say go wash the plate. But you go wash the plate, water go full everywhere. Wash am. Even if you know how to wash am, don't know how to wash am. Before you reach 6 years now, you go know how to do everything so perfect. E don dey 3 years when I dey teach how to wash plate. Now you can able to do it. Before when you start, you go pour water go full everywhere. You go full ground, you go wash. I will clean am. Me no just matter for that one. I go tell am say make you wash am. You go wash the plate. I will say if you drop, put cartoon, no be so far. You just dey train how to do something. If you put all this toy for ground, tell them say toy wey you put for ground, go arrange am. Arrange your bed. You go make sure say you arrange everything. I just dey teach am how to do all those things. We need to teach our children how to do all these things. Your children wake up in the morning, may greet you. You just dey teach them. In case tomorrow, if they don't grow, you no go add them, because it go hard for children wey don't grow. Go dey teach am now. As you want fit teach am, e be like say fish wey you don bend and wan talk am, you don dry. E go hard for you to straighten am again. Pikin wey don reach 10 years, if you go dey teach am something, e go be like say mostly this Europe, e go be like say you dey suffer or you dey give am, but I don't know something, but they give am some stress. You no go like to come dey do am, because but if you teach am when e dey children, you go know say yeah, e don dey used to herself. You go come know say na the way you go tell, oh, na so e just be. Don't dey used to am. You go dey used to am. That time when I dey grow, dey call, if I wan give my papa, I dey sumo. If I wan give my papa water, I must lay down. If I wan give I wan greet her in the morning, I must lay down. Because the way they take teach me when I dey sumo, e can't dey used to me. E can't be like say e don dey part of me. E can't be like say na just I don't know someone to put on. Now the way life just be. Because I come to see children now, they know to greet, you know, they know sabi greet. Move your fair food, they know sabi cook. Plate, they know sabi wash plate. Room, they no fear arrange. Children. This one dey bother me for mind. I can say I go talk, come shook man small. Men I not mind me the way I did talk out. I just now wetin just dey bother me for mind. And secondly, we see dey teach our children our language. Dey very, very important. E get one day when I go one office, I come meet one Igbo woman. They call them. They first call the woman. E come get boy pikin. As they call the woman, but they not call his son for them. As he take come out for inside the office, he come dey use, because when he come out, interpreter, one corner, he follow and come out. He come dey use their language till they tell the boy everything. I know they hear, but I believe say they use Igbo till they talk to the boy. So I wish the boy now no sabi speak. Him mother never fit teach am how to speak. How you take dey explain for the boy now, make person know hear, make another person know hear. Teach our children language is very, very, very important. They go hear English. They go hear English. Even where they go now, children they get their brain they very fast. They go hear English anywhere. You know, if it say they not go hear, they go hear English because they get very. Our children now they are very intelligent. They are very intelligent. They can learn even 30 language, which we the mothers we cannot even learn, because the children they are very intelligent. So, but if you don't mix when they're children, you don't mix that our language to them. If they don't mix them, it go hard for you to come the teach them when they don't big. Now make and you just teach them when they small, they used to it. They how come say even people now like we not sabi speak English, they still speak broken for their children. What do they speak? Teach them your language, case of tomorrow. If you dey public, no be everything you want make other person hear what you want talk. If you use your language to talk to them, they go hear what you dey talk. That time when we dey Nigeria, when I dey, my mama go use that to talk to us, say may we come out. We don't hear say mama don't use that talk to us, say more come out for there. We don't go because we dey look our mama eye. Don't use that to talk to us. Children nowadays have me want to talk to them. Now their language you go speak, everybody go hear. That the country language you go speak, everybody go hear. Even our children now you want to use say I talk to. They go over here with you use say. They not fit they look you. They not even when you use that talk to, they say mama, I beg no use that they talk to me. They go fool you. Now it good may we learn, teach our children our language. I know say it's not easy. Some with the find money, they pursue everything they go, not easy, but we try. May we teach our children our language. Very important. It's very, very important. I beg, start to teach our children. Mostly, we teach them the way of God. We should treat our children the way of God. We should treat them love. We should treat them, first of all, we treat them love. How to love. You will see some children now, they will just do if they see other people. No, we should train our children first. We should love. Anywhere they go, may they love. They should have the spirit of love. Talk. Man, I don't mind the way I talk. I just try coming up. I beg me not fail to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Na beg I beg. Me not subscribe to my YouTube channel. My channel I dey do live